झालं मॅम.
Okay, then give the first type heading, range. First heading the range. In that, write the definition. This is the simplest possible measure. This is the simplest possible measure of dispersion and is defined.
रिपीट करा मॅम एकदा.
This is the simplest possible measure of dispersion and is defined as the difference between the largest value and smallest value of the variables. Next line पे लिखो. In symbols, comma, range is equals to L minus S. Range is equals to L minus S, where L is equals to largest value and S is equals to smallest values. हुआ?
येस मॅम.
Okay, then next line पे लिखो statement. In individual observation and discrete series, in individual observation and discrete series, L and S are easily identified. In individual observation and discrete series, L and S, that is largest and smallest value, are easily identified. Full stop. But in continuous series, the following two methods are followed. Then first method is L is equals to upper boundary of the highest class and S is equals to lower boundary of the lowest class. Then method 2, लिख लो ये मेरे साथ, मेथड 2, L is equals to mid value of the highest class and S is equals to mid value of the lowest class. कि समझ में आया? सी इंडिविजुअल सीरीज अगर रहा 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 up to whatever the last number is there, so then it is easy to find the L and S values because in that series इंडिविजुअल सीरीज में आपको सिर्फ क्या करना है, लोएस्ट एंड स्मॉलेस्ट वैल्यू फाइंड करके उसका डिफरेंट निकालना है. बट अगर हमारे पास कंटिन्यूअस सीरीज, अभी कंटिन्यूअस सीरीज मीन्स विच सीरीज, so in that class interval is provided, okay, like 0 to 5 then 10 to 15, this is the continuous series. तो इसमें क्या, अगर ये केस आई फॉर द रेंज के लिए, so that time we can apply any of the one method. There is a two method for this. तो यहाँ पे L जो है तो वो क्या इंडिकेट करेगा, इट इज द अपर बाउंड्री ऑफ द हाईएस्ट क्लास. जो भी क्लास रहे, सपोज यहाँ पे हाईएस्ट क्लास आपका 10 15 है, तो इसकी जो अपर बाउंड्री है 15, दैट इज कंसिडरिंग एज द अपर बाउंड्री ऑफ द हाईएस्ट क्लास एंड लोअर बाउंड्री ऑफ द लोएस्ट क्लास जो कि 0 है, और ये जो क्लास है 0 to 5, तो उसकी लोएस्ट बाउंड्री कौन सी आएगी, 0. सो लाइक दिस वी कैन परफॉर्म द पर्टिकुलर ऑपरेशन by using these two methods for the continuous series inside the range. Then again one method, if we are calculating the value of x, that is the mid value, then it is easy. जो आपका हाईएस्ट क्लास रहेगा उसकी मिड वैल्यू लेनी है और जो लोएस्ट क्लास रहेगा उसकी मिड वैल्यू लेनी है, और उसका जो डिफरेंस आएगा दैट इज योर रेंज. ओके, सो ये लिख लो, ये दो मेथड हुए क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
Then give the heading coefficient of range. Coefficient of range. Then next line पे formula लिखो, coefficient of range is equals to L minus S divided by L plus S. Where again similar, L is indicating the largest value and S is indicating the smallest value. अभी कोएफिशिएंट में एक बार हम उसका डिफरेंस और एक बार में एडिशन, फिर उसका डिवाइडेशन आएगा. हुआ फॉर्मूला लिख के?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ मैम.
Then give the example. Find the value of range and its coefficient. Find the value of range and its coefficient for the following data. Find the value of range and its coefficient for the following data. Then the given data is 7, 9, 6, 8, 11, 10 and 4. Then solution. In solution, firstly consider this value inside the particular series, that is 7, 9, 6, 8, 11, 10 and 4. Then first task is to find the value of range. Then we have a formula L minus S, that is the largest value. Then find the largest value from the series. Which is largest value?
11.
11, and smallest value is the 4. Okay, then put this
4.
value inside the formula. Here range is equals to 11 minus 4. Then we got the answer is the 7. That is the range for this particular example. Then coefficient of range is equals to L minus S divided L plus S. So L is the 11 minus 4 and 11 plus 4. करो ये परफॉर्म, कैसे पे करो? 7
0.466
0.4667. एक तो 4 digit लो, otherwise 2 digit. That is the coefficient of the range. लिख लो ये.
मॅम ते 11 प्लस 4 15 येईल ना, तुम्ही 14 लिहिलं.
हाँ 15. करेक्ट करो.